Okay, for this video, I'm going to show you a quick introduction to your Unit 2.09, first animation in Blender. So we're going to come to Unit 2. We can come to course content, go to Unit 2. We're going to come down to 2.09. Alright, when you get down to 2.09, you will see your directions, which is our first link. And you're going to open that up. As soon as you have that opened up, you can see that there's a list of links here. These are also if you go straight to 2.09 in the course. For this project, you're going to be creating your own name in Blender, using your own name and making it animated. The first link here is the basic directions. So if you are kind of new or don't really remember everything from Blender, I would suggest starting with this one. If you'd like to take it a step further and do a little bit more of an enrichment, you can try one of the options down here, but these are not required. They're just there as an option for you. You'll also need to complete an artist statement and your plot graphic organizer. Now, for this one, you are going to open up your plot graphic organizer, but for this one, you don't need to fill out all the pages. So for this, you're going to just need to turn in your storyboard with at least the first 3 boxes filled in. Moving forward, you're going to fill out more of this, but for the name project, it's really simple, so you don't have to do a lot to it. You're going to draw a example here in the box of your name, so right in here. Decide what kind of font you want. Do you want like a cursive, curly font? Do you want something that's boxy? So you're going to draw that design. Second box is where is your name going to go after it's initially put on the screen? Is it going to go left, right, up, down, back, forward? So draw that. And then what's the third action that it's going to do? So is it going to go the opposite direction? Is it going to go a new direction? And then if you need to use the other boxes, you can. Down here for visual, you're going to include what kind of colors. So we did a color lesson previously to this. Are you going to use complementary colors, primary colors? So talk about the colors. What about the background? So lay it out. And then if you are going to include an audio recording to it, you can include that here. If you're not going to add audio, just put NA. Audio is not required for this, so you don't have to do that unless you want to. Make sure to keep in mind your 3-point lighting system. The 3-point lighting system link is in the course announcements as well, so you can review that. We also have the how to save to a movie file in Blender. Down here is the 3-point lighting system video. This is what we discussed in class on the 17th and 18th. So if you need to review that recording, you're going to review the 17th and 18th of February. And once you have that done, you are going to post it to the discussion board. So you'll come into the discussion board. Remember, we are not embedding our files, we're uploading. So we're going to start a new thread, and then we're going to hit add attachment, and you're going to upload it. And then you're going to choose your file from your computer and upload that to your submission. And then you're going to put your name in the subject line and then write a short message here. Here's my project, whatever you need to do. Now, if you have a question about the project, if you're working on it and you're kind of stuck, you can come here and start a new thread and put your name and then question. So, question on, and then fill that out. And then post your question down here. And then hit the post button. You can also record, if you would like to record audio, there's an audio record button here. So if you want to do that instead of typing, that's an option as well. If you get stuck along the way, do make sure to come here though right away and post that question in the discussion board. That's what it's for. And if you see somebody that posts a question about it or they're having trouble, please feel free to reply to that student.